Hello YouTube, it's Mark Woods with another video. Finally here to do the 4-channel amp. You know, we might try to do the alternator also. I think I done finally figured that out also. So, you know, today is gonna be a big day. You know, it's been a lot of good things happening lately. You know, I haven't really been able to do a video, you know, so I would definitely try to get one done today, you know. And it's always a lot of stuff as far as with work and stuff. So work, I've been putting in a lot of hours, you know. We do still, you know, have like 1 or 2 more upgrades to do even after the alternator and a 4-channel amp. And I want to send shots out, you know, to my boy BassJunkies. I don't know why I say BassJunkies, but BassJunkies. His real name is James. You know, his channel is doing great, guys. So check him out. You know, me and him supposed to be having a bump off, you know, probably in the coming months, probably maybe in 2 more months, maybe, you know, maybe a month, I don't know. But that's all I can say is just stay tuned for that. And I still got another bump off coming up against the 18th. But soon as I get my coffee and get woke, I can just go ahead and get this 4-channel amp done. As you guys can see, all this junk sitting over here. I'm trying to get a little bit better at driving and, you know, doing videos too, because now I'm gonna have to probably start doing my bump off alone. Well, not bump off, but bump and ride. You know, so we'll be right back. Right now, first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and get this dash off. Just to update you guys, got the dash out. You got the radio sitting there. I cannot find my knob though. I done lost my knob for the radio forever. So most likely I'm gonna get a new one though, but man, you know, I lost the damn knob. So whoever buys the radio gonna have to have a nice little discount because of the knob. But now I'm about to tear the side panels off. And run it on up to the dash. Yep. So we'll be right back. Just to show you guys how much wiring going on here. As y'all can see, tons of wire. But it ain't nothing but speaker wire. And just because I got this little latch right here, I like to use this this hanger to slip it through there, and it gives me, like, you know, a little stiff foundation though. So as y'all can see, it worked. You know, we got all the 4 wires going back there, all the 4 speaker wires going back there. All right, let's run this RCA jack and then we can get started wiring everything up. Almost there. Now, hooking up a 4-channel amp is not as easy as it seems, especially when you have to run the wires. Look how much wire in there. But there is no power wire, no ground wire, nothing in there but speaker wire. And got it all back here, you know, so gonna get ready and hook it up, y'all. But might take a little coffee break real quick though. But today was a good day to get something like this done. I'm glad I didn't do it in a super cold. And oh yeah, I forget I came and locked my door. All the energy is off. But all right, we'll be right back. Now I remember somebody asked me about my wire process before on one of the installation videos that I had before. So, you know, it's simple. You know, you got the color wire right here. You got the color wire. So, and all you're doing is just extinguishing, you know, which is negative or positive. That's all you gotta do. And do the same thing with your other ends. Now, as far as these wires, these are the wires that have been ran all the way to the back. You know, I think they're 14 gauge. So, all right, I'll be back, y'all. I got everything ran pretty good now. So all I got to do now is just basically wire everything up. So I will show you guys the results of the wiring too. All right. All right. If you guys can see how it's wired, you know what I'm saying? It's like I said, it was a lot of wiring to deal with though, but it really wasn't all that stressful. I still gotta cut them wires off, cut them little tips off, because they won't be used anymore. So all you basically doing is just hooking the car speakers, you know, the 6.5 straight to the amp. That's what you want to do, you know, to run your 4-channel amp. Still gotta wire it in the back, you know. So we're going to get that wired up real quick. You know, still got to do the ground too. The ground is already ready. I just got to, you know, probably like, you know, do a re-scuffle of it. Just scuff it up a little bit more and run a little ground. It's going to be right up there where the old little battery ground used to be. And that's basically what a little amp is, just taking apart the, you know, the space for us, the little amp, the little battery that I had. But we'll be back. All right. All right. We're all done. I wish it can be dark, but I can show y'all the amp, you know, show y'all the features on it. You know, it's got the multicolor range. It's got the EQ. You know, we got it down to 0 dB. It's got the X over. It's got the home. Got it gained at 12, master level at 11 or 12. Everything is connected Bluetooth. You can just always plus it, negative. I mean, it sounds good, guys. As y'all can see, all the wire is gone. I mean, it was a lot. The thing I just don't that I didn't realize, you know, hooking up a 4-channel amp ain't easy, man. You know, I mean, after I just got through doing it, you know what I'm saying, now I'm just starting to think like, dang, let me button that up. You know, like, damn, like, this is like a hard job to do, man. So if you guys thinking about doing a 4-channel amp, I don't think it's going to be so easy. As I knock in my side panel with one arm, you know. And the good thing is, like, you might be able to see the lights a little bit better at night. I'm about to turn it on right now. You might be able to see the lights a little bit better at night. I gotta keep my eye on it because it might be too loud just starting up. So there's a delay on the amp too. Hopefully I didn't let it play too long though. We'll see on the video. It's just gonna have to be probably one part I had to take out. But you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. Now everything is hooked up as far as the 4 channel. I mean, it sounds good. So stay tuned for the full demo. You know, the full demo will be coming up very, very soon. You know, other than that, man, you know, one step done. You know, I will neaten it up back there. I will have to neaten it up. But somehow I managed not to have no power wires touching each other. You know, man, I'm proud of it, man. I'm proud of it. You know, and now I have, you know, my highs up to par, you know, with my you know, lows. So my highs is up to par and my lows. So alright guys. You know, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. Alright guys, this is Mark Woods. We out.